here the as we have discussed earlier, so business intelligence, it helps us in few of the things, okay, like especially trends, okay, spot the market trends, like how the market is doing, okay, like how the demand is increasing for a particular product or service, or what could be the next generation products or services. Okay, those kind of things can be spotted using the business intelligence analysis. And we can track our own performance, business performance, okay, whether our sales are going up or down, or profit is going up or down, or our market share is increasing or decreasing, our product performance is improving or deteriorating. So all those kinds of analysis or performance related things can be done here. So in the performance, whenever we talk about the performance, you might have heard about the KPIs, isn't it, guys? Key performance indicators. So KPI stand for key performance indicator. So it is one of the key indicator, I mean the metric which will tell about the organization's performance in that particular aspect. Suppose it is related to sales. How much sales we have done in the last quarter or last month, last year. Okay. And say profit, how much profit we made, what is the profit margin, okay, or what is our market reach, market share, is it 30%, 50%, those kind of things, or what is the product performance levels. Okay, these are so it depends. Each organization have their own KPIs and different targets. Okay, these are all different targets. Somebody may set the target of sales, say $100 million for 1 year, or somebody may set the target as $10 billion for 1 year. Based on the company's scale of operations and the reach, they have different targets and different KPIs and different targets. Okay. So in the KPIs, in the tracking performance, we have these targets. Okay. And against the targets, we compare the actual performance. Okay. Whether we are reaching our performance or not in time, reaching our targets or not in time, that can be tracked. Okay. Coming to analysis of the customer behavior, we can understand how customers are behaving, clients are behaving, like what are their preferences, how much, if you take a website, how much time each person is spending, how many clicks are they making, and which pages are most visited. Okay, this kind of behavior we can understand. So if the telecom sector, in the telecom sector, maybe aware that what products or services the customer is buying, how frequently they are buying, and how much time the person is speaking over phone, or how much broadband capacity the person is using. Okay, these are all different kinds of customer behavior metrics that are analyzed, and based on that, customized solutions will be created. Customized products or services will be created for those particular customers. Okay, so you might have experienced this, especially in the e-commerce industry, like when you purchase something in Amazon or Flipkart or any other e-commerce site, then when you log in next time, similar products would be recommended, isn't it, guys? You might have seen many a times. Or even in OTT platforms like Netflix or Amazon Prime, if you watch a particular movie, say say comedy movie, then similar genre movies will be recommended for you. Okay, if you have watched something related to action or drama or something related to sports, similar kind of movies will be recommended by the recommendation system. Okay, so that is the understanding and recommendation of the customer behavior. Okay, next thing is comparing the data with others in business. Okay, so here we compare the data of a particular product or particular service with other services or other products in the business, or sometimes other manufacturing units, other regions or other branches, or sometimes also we compare it with competitors. Okay, And finally, revolutionize operation process. So here, based on all this comparison and all this analysis, you will come to know where to improve, where to reduce your efforts or improve your efforts and resources. So then you will be initiating the changes in that particular process. Okay, both in operations and in a lot of operations like your design process or sales process or manufacturing process, any process. Okay, even HR also, HR process also, you can based on the analysis you can present your recommendations, insights and recommendations to the management. Then they may intervene based on the they may intervene with policy changes to retain the talented employees. Okay, so these are not restricted actually. So these are the broad areas in which any organization would apply this business intelligence tool. Okay, so ultimately it is related to business performance in one or the other function or department. Okay, it can be any department or function.